How to find blocked contacts on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a list of the numbers that you've blocked on your iPhone. So if this will be if you blocked people in the Messages app or in the Phone app on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there is no way to see your block list within the Phone app. So what we need to do is actually open up the settings on our iPhone and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, select Apps. Then we just want to find the Phone app. So I'm going to go to the P's, and there it is, select Phone. Once in there, scroll down near the bottom and select Blocked Contacts. You'll now see a full list of every number that you've blocked on your iPhone, and as you can see, you will not receive phone calls, messages, emails, or FaceTimes from the people on this block list. And usually these are just going to be spam. If you want to remove anything from your block list, select Edit in the top right, and then just hit the little red icon next to the number that you want to remove from your blocked contacts. You can also block new numbers or contacts by selecting Add New and then typing in the person that you want to block. So those are the blocked numbers on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.